ako sa New Star. Dito ako ngayon. Hindi ko mapatong guys.
Summer na, mga ka-shoppers! Grab your summer essentials here at New Star Shopping Mart with our big na hit exciting deals. Sweet promos and discounts awaits you. Kaya dito ka na, saan mas makakatipid ka na, may extra budget ka pa for travel goals this summer season. Dahil sa New Star, bigger savings.
Bata ka ba? Hoy, tigil mo yan. Tangina mo, ginagawa man taka sarili mo.
Gusto mo bang mag-ito sa murang buhol?
Yo guys, what's up? Andito na naman ako si Rockba TV. What's up in the hood and the good? What's rap?
Para magpa-register
Andito ako sa New Star ngayon. Ano namin, graduating namin. Kaya nagpa-practice kami. Pero next week, ano ba next week? Ano, May 30. Yo guys. What's up sa inyo guys? Ako nga pa si Rockba TV. What's up sa inyo? Nandito po ako ngayon sa New Star para maghanap ng dito ako ngayon sa hood ng New Star. Kukuhain tayo guys for today na video. Yung mga kasama ko guys, andun na sila sa sa Robinson. Pupunta tayo doon.
Uncooked, take a chick off one look, and when it get took, they don't never get untook. When I seen that body, you would think it was a dead body. The way I told my boys, come look, I used to take girls up to Stony Brook and steal their hearts like some crook. True story. Now when I hold somebody's hand, it's a new story. All my ABGs get cute for me. I had one girl, two for me. Two girls, first cool for me. Three girls, damn, who's horny? Four girls, okay, now you horny. Hey, I'm loose. I done put these songs to good use. I done put my city on my back, and the world know my name on the truth.
So if you're ready, and if you let me, I wanna see it in motion, in body. You already grab me, champagne and confetti. I wanna see it in motion, in 3D.
Wow.
I like it, girl.
Playing with yourself on camera. You my babe just like Tampa. Speaking of bucks, I got those, and that's for fucks, well not those, and that's for thoughts. What do you really wanna know? I thought so. I'll fly you from Korea to Kentucky, and you ain't gotta guarantee me nothing. I just wanna see if I get lucky. I just wanna meet you in the physical and see if you would touch me.
Yo guys, lalabas na ako guys. Andun yung Robinson. Grabe init ngayon for today's vlog here. Ang init guys, pupunta tayo ng Robinson. Pero mag-yoyosi muna tayo. Let's go. Okay guys. Dito na ako sa Robinson for today's vlog in the hood. Wala akong pera ngayon guys, kaya gagalag-galag lang tayo. Apakainit sa labas guys. Yo guys, di ko na na-video yung kanina sa may Robinson. So dito ko na lang papakita yung last part. Pero may next part pa. Thanks.